In this session we're going to look at how to invoice a job. So make sure you select the correct job and then we say process and invoice. This will then replicate your job for you on the invoice screen. In other words, you don't have to create that invoice again. We will link the two for you. You will see here's all the specific stock items that you've selected. You even have your artwork item there. All the information that was done in the job card will be here. If you wanted to specify a delivery fee, you can add that to the invoice. For more information or more detail on the invoice, please go and look at the processing invoice sessions again. All we're going to do now is we're going to process this job card so that I can show you the influence that this invoice will have. I'm going to process and display. Here we will have our invoice. I'm going to close our screen. You will see that that job has now disappeared from the current to history. So your job will now be in history. But what I want to show you is if we close our job card option, we can now, first of all, if I take you to our order tracking, if we say stock reports and order tracking, and I will sort according to date, you will see that you've got your information here. Basically all the pieces that you've used, the stock items that you've used within that invoice. You can also see the invoice number. If I click on this specific invoice and I say document, you'll see your document again. I want to take you to debtors and queries as well. If you say debtors and queries, double click on our data, there's your invoice 55 again. Once again, if you click on document, preview, that will display the document. What we're going to do now is we're going to click on the GL audit. Now remember, your sales account will be used, your VAT, your cost of sale, your stock on hand, your debtors control. And then you will also have the work in progress part of this transaction, where we specified under company details we want to use work in progress. Here it's now taken it in and out of work in progress.